Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into cryptocurrency trading and looking for ways to level up your strategy, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to talk about DeepSeek AI and how you can use it to enhance your cryptocurrency trading game. So, what exactly is DeepSeek AI? Well, it's a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to analyze large amounts of data from across the internet. It's designed to help traders like you understand market trends, make better predictions, and manage your investments in a way that's more informed and strategic. But how can this really help when you're trading cryptocurrencies? Let me break it down for you. First, DeepSeek AI does something super interesting. It tracks market sentiment. What's that? Basically, it looks at social media, news, and even forums to understand how people are feeling about different cryptocurrencies. If everyone's talking positively about Bitcoin or Ethereum, that could indicate a good time to invest. But if there's a lot of negative chatter, you might want to stay cautious. It's like having a tool that gives you insider information on what everyone's thinking. Now, price prediction. One of the hardest things about crypto is knowing when to buy or sell. The market can change in seconds, and getting the timing right can be a huge challenge. DeepSeek AI helps you by looking at past data, patterns, and trends, so it can predict the potential future price of a crypto asset. Imagine having a guide that tells you when the best time to buy or sell is. Sounds cool, right? But wait, there's more. Risk management is another big area where DeepSeek AI comes in handy. Crypto markets are volatile, and we all know how quickly prices can swing. DeepSeek AI helps you set smart stop-loss and take profit levels, which means you don't have to constantly monitor the market. You can automate these decisions, knowing that the AI will help protect your investments. Want to take it a step further? You can even use automated trading bots with DeepSeek AI. These bots can execute trades based on AI analysis, and the best part is you don't need to be glued to your screen all day. The bots will work around the clock, ensuring you never miss an opportunity while you're away. And if you're worried about managing a growing portfolio, no problem. DeepSeek AI can help with portfolio management too. By analyzing your current investments and the market trends, it can suggest how you should diversify your portfolio to maximize returns. It's like having a personal investment advisor who's on top of everything for you. But why exactly should you use DeepSeek AI in your cryptocurrency trading? Well, it helps you make quicker, smarter decisions. The speed and accuracy of AI mean that you can act faster than other traders who are doing things manually. Plus, you get to reduce risk, automate processes, and make better investment choices based on data instead of gut feelings. In a world where timing is everything, using DeepSeek AI could really give you the edge. So, if you're looking to take your trading to the next level, definitely give it a try. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow crypto traders, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights on cryptocurrency. See you in the next video.